Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you step by step how to log into Krea AI account. So guys, this is easy step you can do, just follow me. So guys, click on sign up as you can see here. If you don't have any account, you can sign up with Google or with email. And in my case guys, I have Google and I will connect with my email address. Click just your email address. In my case, this is my email, and wait, and you're redirected to your dashboard as you can see here guys, and scroll down. This is the Krea AI guys, this tool to generate AI content and generate image, and you can upscale and enhance, and you can also generate videos as you can see here. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and share this video for more content. Any question guys, down below on comment here and I will answer your question fast. Thanks.